F2L. It stands for first two layers, in which the first two layers of a 3x3 will be solved simultaneously. F2L is the second step of the CFOP method, and if you already know how to solve a 3x3 using the CFOP method, then you must check out my other video about advanced F2L tips and tricks. Do check it out. Okay, so now let me just give you a preview of what would happen. So over here I'm having two of the components, the edge and the corner, and what will happen is by applying an algorithm you can just get this pair done, and similarly you have to do for all the three sides. Now let's start from the first case. So the first case is over here, orange and blue, orange and blue. So we have the orange blue corner over here and orange blue edge over here. So here we have the first case. You have to check whether the top sticker or the color of both of these, which are corner and the edge, match or not. So in this case they are not matching because the corner has orange on top and edge has blue on top. So what you should do is take the corner just between where it is going and then apply this algorithm. If it is on the left side, then you need to apply a different algorithm, and if it is on the right side, then you need to apply a different algorithm, like this. Like that. So now what if the same case is on the right side? Then you need to mirror this algorithm like this and insert it. Simple. This time we are having the case number 3. Again the same orange and blue pair. So this time they are not matching, but we have white on top, which is the base color. So if you are color neutral, or if you are solving with green as your base, or blue, red, orange, means any of them, then if that base color is on top, then here is the algorithm. First you need to match the color. Like over here I have blue, then I have to match it with the blue center, hold it in this position, and I will show two cases, whether it is over here or here. You need to apply the same. So apply this algorithm. It is solved. Now the same case, but the corner is not here, it is back there. So now this time you need to do this algorithm. Easy. Now let's start with the special cases. So here is the case 1, and special case of it is this one. So the algorithm which I told you was for this situation, which was this one, when the corner is in the L shape right over here and the corner is over there. But what if this time the edge is over here? So now simply you need to just add one more U to the starting, like that, and at the ending also, like that, and the pair will be solved. So here is the special case for case number 2. So as I told you that if this kind of situation arises, that the both of the top colors do not match, then you need to just apply this 3-move insert algorithm, which will pair them and insert. But what if this edge goes from here to here this time? So edge was here, the algorithm that I told you was when the edge was over there, but now when the edge is over here, then you need to apply this algorithm. Like that. Is another special case which may arise in your solve is when both the pieces are connected with each other but not paired. So you can see that they are not paired properly. So now what to do is you need to simply split them up like this. Now check which situation it is, and now you need to solve accordingly. like that. Another example of a special case where you have the edge on the second layer and corner at the top layer. So what you can do over here is just move this corner out of the way, take this edge out with the 4 move sequence which I taught you in the beginners tutorial, and now here is a solvable case which you can easily solve like that. Here's another example where you have corner inserted but the edge is not. So you can just simply move the edge out of the way, then take the corner out with the 4 move sequence which I talked about recently, and now you can just set it up and solve it like that. Okay, so now it is time for example solve for F2L. So now let's start with this pair. I have both the corner and edge over here, and I will check whether this matches or not. It matches, so I will simply set it up. Now okay, so edge must be here, it is not over here. So what we can do is just apply another algorithm like this and solve it. Now let's go ahead and we have this one. So now we can just simply split them as I told you like this, and now let's see whether they match or not. They do not match, so let's see. Okay, so it is not the case in which we can insert it like this. So here we have the special case. We will just apply the algorithm and solve it like that. Now here we have the orange and blue pair which could be inserted right away. We have both of them right over here. The stickers do not match like this, and now we have the last one over here which could also be done easily like that. Yeah, that's it for the video. Do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.